Okay, hey everybody, this is Sam again. Today the tutorial is about how to set your WordPress homepage as an actual homepage rather than just showing the blog listings. Here's an example page. So this is just like a random travel blog, and you'll see on the home page, this is the default setting in WordPress. It just shows the different posts. It's got a sidebar here, but these are all just the posts that I put on. I've just put on some random ones, but basically it's not showing an actual homepage that I want to set. So to fix this up, you go into the WordPress dashboard. So at the top here, so I'm already logged in, and you go into settings, and then going to reading. So settings, reading. Here it says your homepage displays your latest posts or a static page. So here I can change this to home. My post page, I can set that to the blog, and that'll show what my homepage was just showing. Save changes. Let's go to the home page. Here you go, and then you scroll down, and here this is going to be whatever I put in my home page. So if I go into pages and home, I can edit that and see it says front page. I'll just go back really quickly. See here it says home page is front page, blog post page. That's exactly what I'd set in my settings for reading. Here, home page and blog. And then I can edit the page and put stuff in here. If you have a theme builder, you can edit the stuff here as well. So that's how to set your home page on your WordPress blog, so it's not just the post page. Thanks for watching.